Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and most effective products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best gelish nail polish remover you can find, the Oliver Gel Nail Polish Remover. If you're tired of the long, tedious process of removing your gel polish with foil and soaking, this product will revolutionize the way you approach your at-home manicures. It promises to make the process quick, easy, and mess-free. First, let's talk about how it works. The Oliver Gel Nail Polish Remover uses a simple, non-invasive approach to get rid of that stubborn gel polish. Instead of wrapping your nails with foil or soaking them in acetone, all you have to do is brush the gel remover onto your nails. Within 2 to 5 minutes, you'll notice the polish beginning to bubble and crack, and with a gentle wipe, it peels right off. It's as simple as that. One of the best features of this remover is how it doesn't require soaking. Traditional methods often leave your nails feeling dry and damaged, but with this gel polish remover, your nails will remain intact and healthy. Plus, it works for all kinds of nails, whether you're using UV plastic nails, acrylics, or natural nails. This remover is also super convenient for those who like to change up their nail designs often. The small 15 ml bottle is portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home or on the move, this remover is perfect for quick fixes. Let's not forget about its composition. This gel polish remover is plant-based, so it's gentle on your nails. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals that can cause irritation or damage. It's also free of the strong, unpleasant smells that many other removers leave behind. Now, for those who are beginners or simply looking for a stress-free way to remove their gel polish, this product is a game-changer. You won't have to worry about intricate methods or spending hours at a nail salon. The Oliver Gel Nail Polish Remover makes it easy to get salon-quality results without the hassle. In conclusion, if you want a quick, efficient, and gentle way to remove your gel polish, the Oliver Gel Nail Polish Remover is your best option. It's time-saving, easy to use, and will leave your nails feeling healthy and looking great. Make sure to give it a try and experience the convenience for yourself. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.